In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from PayPal to your bank account. This guide is going to apply to PayPal on the mobile app. The first thing you need to do is make sure you've gone and got a bank account linked to your PayPal because we need that, and then add the money to your bank account from PayPal and withdraw it. To do that, basically all you need to do is add a debit card or a bank account. If you already have, then you don't have to. You just have to click on the bank account or the debit card, then click on withdraw the money. If you don't have a bank account, all you need to do is to add one. And then now you can withdraw your money. You need to do is go to the home page like so, and you need to go and tap on your PayPal balance. And then there's the word transfer. Then after transferring, you could choose the bank account or debit card that you wanted to transfer to. And then after that, now you could have to transfer. You could transfer your money from PayPal to your bank or debit card. And that's it. You have already withdrawn all your PayPal balance.